sunrise in the morning. We sleep by the beach and wake to the ocean waves. I got sand all over my body, so I better wash before I go out to play. And I said, we got nothing to do but reggae all day. And everybody smiles when the music plays. All them girls, them look just like a flower, reaching up towards the sun. And the sky is as blue as the ocean, and the grass is almost as green as your eyes. Just wanna hold you in my arms all night by the fire. But before we get that far, we've got all the daytime to spend. So let's hang with our friends and play ball in the park. No dark thoughts shall stain my morning.